Need a way to reduce the time and effort it takes to build large orders online? Introducing Quick Order, now available on buildingcontrols.com. From the Building Controls and Solutions homepage, select Quick Order from the main menu. Make sure you're logged in to see your best price and access restricted products. There are two ways to use the Quick Order feature. You can manually type in SKUs, or you can paste a SKU list. Entering SKUs manually is easy. You can start to type your SKU list, and a list of available options will appear for you. Select the item you'd like to add, and move to the next line. When you've added all of your products, double check your list and then select Add to Cart. Now you can view all of your products in your cart. Another way to use Quick Order is to copy and paste a list of SKUs from another source, a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PDF, anything that you have. Just make sure one SKU per line is listed in your source. Keep Quick Order open in your browser and open your list in another tab or window. Copy your list of SKUs and navigate back to the Quick Order menu. Click into the Paste SKU list box and paste your SKUs. Double check your list of SKUs and then hit Add to Quick Order. The SKUs will automatically be added to your Quick Order. Make sure to review your list for accuracy. If you have a product that's been discontinued or is out of stock, our system will provide a replacement option or options for you. If SKUs are not found in our system, you'll be notified. Remove these from your list before moving on. When you've double-checked your list, hit the Add to Cart button. Now you're ready to view your cart. Review the items in your cart one more time, then proceed to checkout, request a quote, or save your cart for later.